Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the tropical tree. Out came the sun and set the jungle free. Down came the rain, gentle as can be. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the tree with glee, with glee. The Itsy Bitsy Spider lit a parrot bold, with feathers bright and colors to behold. Out came the rain, falling soft and cold. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the tree so bold. The Itsy Bitsy Spider saw a sloth so slow, hanging in the tree where the big leaves grow. Out came the sun with his lovely glow. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up to say hello, hello. The Itsy Bitsy Spider met a bouncing frog, leaping through the rain, hopping on a log. Out came the rain, turning into fog. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up through the fog.